on it. Throw it in the oven. For baby and me. Say black. Black. Oh.
Ew.
Ew.
Black.
Like, what did you just decide to talk today?
Blue.
Blue. What do you see?
Blue.
Say red bird, red bird. Can you say red?
Do you see that fan?
Say red.
Pink. Blue.
Big blue one?
No, blue. Say purple.
Hey, what's his name?
Purple.
Who's this?
Purple.
Who's this baby?
Say yellow.
Purple.
Yeah.
Can you say Grayson?
Purple.
Say Grayson.
Purple.
You say purple very well. Who's this? Who's this baby?
Baby.
Grayson.
Hi, Can you say Sam?
Baby.
Who's this?
Cass.
Chris. But that was very good. Can you say Sam? It's
Hey,
okay.
Sam.
Who's that?
What's my name?
Danny.
Did you just call me Sandy?
Yeah. He said Chris and Danny this time.
This isn't even fair. Say Laura.
Where's Laura?
Laura. Whoa. Whoa.
Where's Laura?
Back.
She'll be back.